Most people quit math because they believe intelligence is fixed. They say, "I'm just not a math person." But neuroscience tells a different story. Every time you struggle with a difficult problem, your brain creates stronger neural connections. That uncomfortable feeling? That's actually your brain growing. Math genius isn't a gift. It's a skill. Every genius was once a beginner. Think about the world's greatest mathematicians. They all started with simple addition. None of them were born knowing calculus. They asked questions. They made mistakes. They failed thousands of times. The difference wasn't intelligence. It was persistence. Every expert you admire was once exactly where you are today. Curiosity beats memorization. Many students try to memorize formulas. But true mathematicians ask one question: why? Why does this formula work? Why is this theorem true? Why does changing one number change the answer? Curiosity turns math from memorizing symbols into understanding ideas. And once you understand, you rarely forget. Mistakes are your greatest teacher. Nobody likes getting the wrong answer, but every mistake contains valuable information. Instead of asking, "Why am I so bad?" ask, "What is this mistake trying to teach me?" Each wrong answer points directly to what you need to improve. The best students don't avoid mistakes. They study them. Practice like an athlete. Athletes don't become champions by watching sports. Musicians don't master instruments by reading about music. Mathematics works the same way. You become better by solving problems. Every question is a workout for your brain. The more you practice, the stronger your mathematical thinking becomes. Learn from your own thinking. Whenever you solve a problem, don't stop after getting the answer. Ask yourself, could I solve it faster? Could I explain it to someone else? Is there another method? Is there another method? Thinking about your thinking is one of the fastest ways to improve. Real understanding goes beyond finding the answer. Consistency beats talent. Imagine practicing math for just 30 minutes every day. Not 5 hours once a month, just 30 focused minutes. One day doesn't seem like much, but after a year, you've spent over 180 hours improving. Small daily efforts create extraordinary results. Consistency always beats occasional motivation. Explain it like a teacher. One secret used by top students is simple. Teach someone else. Explain the solution aloud. You probably don't understand it deeply enough. Teaching is one of the fastest ways to master mathematics.